Yeah, this that new Camp Chef. Just a little video. I got everything hooked up now. Got a little side table that comes up. Bam. So when you're smoking, You got your hopper right here with the window. 2 probes. Fill up your wood. I'm using hickory. Put that thing in here right now. I got a veal in there. And then at the end, if you're doing anything else, you're still always gonna have your little propane so that you could put it up here on the Camp Chef sear station. And this is 900 degrees, close to 1,000, and you're good to go. Everything is good. I had a little bit of problems in the beginning with, the delivery, but Camp Chef made good. You got the shelf on the bottom. Everything looks good on this thing, and it's a new way of cooking: clean, smoke, and searing. Camp Chef. That's it.